Precision plumbing and leak detection has been the area's first choice for quality plumbing service since 2005. Family-owned and operated, we are a full-service plumbing company that specializes in a wide range of services, including leak detection and repair, repiping, backflow, sewers, plumbing repairs, custom plumbing services, pumps, faucets, water heaters, and much more. And we are committed to providing our customers with only the best quality work and service available. So let us provide the solutions for all of your plumbing needs. Call Precision Plumbing and Leak Detection today.